I heard there was a sacred chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do you? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the final fall, and the major lift. The baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, your faith was strong, but they needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, and the beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to her kitchen chair. She broke your crown and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Maybe there's a God above, but all I've ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody who outdrew you. Well, it's not a cry you'll hear at night. It's not someone who's seen the light. It's a call and it's a broken hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah,
Amy Stewart.